Okay, so let's see if we can do this really fast. Flip through number 1. I'm thinking there's going to be 3. Fudge. Papers. A cute fussy cut my sister made me. Papers. Pocket that I forgot to put something in. So tomorrow I'll start on the charms and stuff. I don't know. Put something else there tomorrow. My sister Sarah made that. I'm gonna put another one this way. With some color somewhere on there. Cut up and paste ons later. Washi tape later. Yes, the toner ran out of toner. What? What's the matter? Go outside and watch your brother. And it's color, so I love color. What? Don't be talking to me. You need to get your booty outside and watch your little brother. We'll ink and stamp and sticker stuff tomorrow. My sister made that. Isn't it cute? I can't go back to yesterday because I was a different person then. And here we have a little notebook. And 2 pullouts that I'll add lines to later. I probably won't leave this here, but I already put the grommet thing there, so I wanted to put something on there. It could fold out this way. Yes, it's a pocket. I never have too many pockets, you know. That I gotta fill up tomorrow. Another little notepad. I wanted to take those cards and put them this way in a pocket. I'll probably do that tomorrow. And of course, little notes that I put some lines on some and Some I'll leave late just in case she don't like lines. Oh, okay, good. I could have gone a little slower, but that's okay. I'm thinking I might cut this down some more. I don't know. Or either put washi tape on this side so it's not just blah. I can still cut, oh, it goes this way. I can still cut it down quite a bit. And next time I will use one of my dies to cut some of the middle out of, but leave the rest there. Just to be doing something different, you know. So tomorrow I'll cover up all of my spots with washi, washi, washi. And keep on keeping on. So I can go have something to eat now and figure out what I'm going to do for this spot. I'll probably just stamp it with, you know, the big stamp that I put on top of my boxes. Lines, roses, roses. I don't know. Little by little by little. Gotta put some color on him. Gotta put some color on him. Yes, we do. Maybe we'll put this on him later. I'll leave that there. Put some charms on the edges. Make sure everything balances top to bottom, left to right. What are you doing? Did I glue these together? See? Shouldn't buy that glue anymore. Where are you going, princess? Is somebody here? I don't think so. I shouldn't have company for another couple of hours yet. Charms, charms. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There we go. And my goal, my dear, if you should see this, is to get this in the mail Friday. Just gotta put lots of those cute little charms in there for you and cut that down some more. I don't mind stuff sticking out, but not that much. There. I don't think I'm gonna put anything in there.